Gentlemen, again, today I will have another quick review for you. I will show you what is my dinner today. Bulgarian milk, which is again okay. Here we have the cow milk Bulgarian, yogurt. Let me open it. And we will also have some very cool dolmas. So we have today very cool dolmas. Again, Palirria, taste the best of Greece. Palirria, 1957, leading Greek producer and exporter of ready-to-eat meals and number one dolmas producer in the world. Traditional Greek Mediterranean recipes and select ingredients and combine it by chefs to create award-winning products and excellent quality and taste. Okay, here we have the pack. These are Quinoa Dolmas, stuffed vanillis with tricolour quinoa. Very cool. Roll it, hand roll it. Basically, dolmas with quinoa. 136 calories per 100 grama. Made in Greece. I will taste them for first time. It have quinoa, vine leaves, and that's it, the most of it. Here again the calories. Here how they look like. Quinoa Dolmas, vine leaves, tricolour quinoa. Excellent choice for vegetarian or vegans. No preservation, hand rolled, ready to serve. Okay, let's try them. This will be my first try with these. I never tasted them before, so I will tell you if they're any good or not. Basically, they look like normal vine leaves, but let's try them out. Unfortunately, the package is very small, so you have only few dolmas. Here is how they look like. I'm not a huge fan of quinoa, but I can try these. I will tell you if they are any good or not. Okay, so I use them with milk always. Very tasty, very delicious. Today I eat risotto, so I compare these. Much better taste than risotto, of course. Keep in mind that quinoa is much more expensive than the rice. Don't know why. Maybe because it's more healthy. Let's try another one. Very good. Excellent for my today's dinner at work. Excellent. Definitely much better than the rice. And let me tell you why quinoa is better than the rice. Basically, quinoa is flowering plant in the aromatic family. It's herbaceous annual plant growing crop primarily for its edible seeds. Rich in protein, fiber, dietary B vitamins, dietary minerals, greater amount than in many grains. Quinoa is not a grass but rather pseudo-cereal botanically related to spinach and amaranth, and originated from Andean region, Northwest South America. It was used to feed livestock before 7,000 years ago, and for human consumption 3,000 or 4,000 years ago in Lake Titicaca basin of Peru and Bolivia. Today everything is done in production by small farms and association. It has spreads to more than 70 countries, including Kenya, India, United States, several European countries. As a result, increased popularity and consumption. North America, Europe, and Australasia, quinoa crops prices tripled between 2006 and 2013. Here is how it looked like, and it's tasty, it's delicious. Very, very good. So raw and cooking quinoa is 13% water, carbohydrates, protein, fat 6%. Nutrition evaluation indicate 100 gram 3.2 ounces serving of raw quinoa seeds, rich source 30% daily value DV of protein, dietary fiber, several B vitamins, DV4 folate, and the dietary minerals magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. After cooking, quinoa is 72% water, 22 carbohydrates, 4% protein, and 2% fat. So 102 calories. Again, rich in manganese, phosphorus, DV, moderate source of dietary fiber, folate, iron, zinc, magnesium. Quinoa is gluten-free because of the high concentration of protein, easy to use, versatility and preparation, and potential for increased yields in controlled environment. It has been selected as an experimental crop in NASA-controlled ecological life support system for long-duration human-occupied space flights. So this should tell you that it's very, very good. So the prices has again tripled. As demand increase, prices triple, and I think that's it for today. Very delicious, very tasty, very pleasant, very, very good, very healthy. So keep that in mind. If you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribing. Once more time, tricolour quinoa. One more time. If you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribing, and till next time, people. And be safe and eat healthy food.